Mental health awareness. One of the things I learned from my Bible reading was in the book of Esther. I learned that in the book of Esther, Esther put on her best royal clothes. This teaches me like if I go into my religious meeting, I should put on my good clothes, clean. I don't want to bring attention to myself, but at the same time, I want to be clean and neat. And this teaches me like I should wear appropriate clothes that age appropriate. And also one thing I learned that this like if I'm going for a job interview or any kind of interview, I should put on my best clothes. That's show appreciation for the person, my employee, my employer, and that show appreciation. Okay, mental health awareness. Bye bye.